Hi everyone, so this is my own personal composition notebook journal. I have a tutorial on how to make these. I made this one for myself. This one has a little guy on the back, a raccoon, and then he has this on the front. It's kind of like an October-November journal actually, and it's just kind of like overflow and just all kinds of larger things, ephemera and stuff. So that's kind of what I keep in here. But I've been working on something I wanted to show to you, and I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, and so inside of here, I have this project that I've been working on, and it's on these two pages. And I saw these on different channels. Corey Damon had it on her channel, but then she said she got it from someone else and someone else got it from her. So I'm not really sure where it originated, but I wanted to share with you this project. It's really quick and easy. It's super fun. I have two versions of it, and I put it in my big chunky journal just so I could show you what it looks like, because I thought it was so cool. And I thought you guys would want to make some. So this is held in with a paper clip. It's just like a little kind of like a flip and fold kind of situation. And I put a little tab on it, and basically you open it up and you can journal on it. It's just like a secret journaling spot. I just thought it was super cool and kind of fun to make something like that. And then there's another version of it if you fold it a different way. Let me just share that with you. It's on this page, and I have it in like a little spot where it's like a little belly band, and it's just sitting in there like that. And then I just decorated the belly band. But this one is more like a square. And you could glue it anywhere you want on the page and then just journal on it. Or I just wanted to show an example of putting it in a tuck spot. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to make one of each, one of the square one, and then one of the triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and close my journal, get it out of the way. And then you can make this with squares. Whatever size square that you'd like to use to make yours is totally fine. So basically what we're doing, I have two little examples here. I have the triangle one and then the square one. So these are 6x6 squares, and then this one I think was a 5x5. But you can use a 4x4, you can use whatever size you want. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make the triangle one first. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it, and I'm using the colored side out because I want the colored side to show up on the outside of my little triangle. So I'm going to start with the colored side out like that. So I do two folds like that with the colored side out. So I did this fold like this, then I turned it and did this fold like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and with the colored side in, I'm going to fold it this direction and then this direction. And then I'm going to turn then I'm just flipped it like this. Do you see I just did that? And then I'm going to go ahead and put it like this, like a triangle, like that, and then like that. So what I did was like this, like the old cootie catchers kind of back in the day. You do this, this, and then that. And then there's your triangle one. Okay, you can go ahead and just replay that if you want and fold along with me if you want to do the triangle one. And then I'm going to move that one to the side, and then we're going to go ahead and do the square one. And now the square one is like this with the colored side on the outside. I'm going to start with these folds. This fold and then this fold. So I'm like that. So I did this fold. And then I did this fold, colored side on the outside. Then I'm going to flip it over and do it like this. Colored side on the inside, just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and, so I did colored side on the inside, like that. Like that. Then I'm going to take it and flip it, like pop it, like that. And then I'm going to do this and like that. So then I'm going to go ahead, do that cootie catcher thing again with the colored side on the outside. And then it makes the square one. So you can go ahead and replay that if you want to make the square one. So those are our two options. We can make the triangle one or we can make the square one. And I hope that you try them because they're super fun. I think they're fun to decorate on the inside, put a piece of washi or something across the bottom. Then you can go ahead and journal on them and do all sorts of fun stuff. So I love them. I haven't journaled on them yet because I kind of prepared this page just a couple days ahead, but I love how they turned out. So fun. I can't wait to journal on them, like what I'm doing or whatever. This triangle one is super cool. This one I glued down just so it would be in the journal, just to show you that you could glue it down and keep it in the journal. But to keep it shut, I just went ahead and put a little clip on it. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.